In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put together your reusable cracker ready to use at Christmas time. So to start with, you'll receive your pack of various crackers like this, and each part has two parts, so one cracker, two parts. So I'm going to show you how to put it together with the one that I have from last year, so in a different design. So these are the two parts. As you can see, one is longer than the other, so you start with the longer side, and this will already have your Eco Snap inside it. But if you're reusing it, so you used it previously, all that you do is take that first, take the snap, pop it through there. You can see where there's two holes, so pop it through the top one and then fold it down through the second one, just like that. Pop it in. So that's how it would be when it is flat. So the first thing that we need to do is pop it into its shape. So you take the two sides and you put it into a rectangle or a square like that. Then what you do is you turn it over, and you can see on mine, because I've used it previously, it's slightly indented, but on yours you will just see the lines. So you push down on that line on both sides, and then as you push, it will pop into shape there. There you go. So that is one side of the cracker. Then you move on to the other side, and again with this, just pop it into that square shape initially, and then before you put the snapper through, just put it into the shape initially, just so you've done it once and it knows the shape. So push down again on those sides, and then there you go, it'll pop into shape. So now you need to connect the other snapper. So I'll just take this out again into its square shape, and then I will slide that into the other side. So when you do this, take note to pop it in the same side. So where the snapper is up here, on the same side you want those two holes from the other side. So I put it all the way down, and then the snapper will show up here. So I take that and I feed that through the top hole first. Obviously be careful with this, because if you pull it, then it will do the snapping for you. So I'm just popping it through that top hole there. You can pull it through and then feed it back down into that bottom hole there. Then once you've done that, you can close this again, so just pop it in the sides as we've done previously. So the best thing now to do is to tie the ribbons, and that will keep the snapper from coming out. To tie the ribbon, you literally just feed it through the holes where you've got them on either side. Then once it's through, just tie a bow nice and tight. Just like that, and then I just repeat the same thing on the other side. And there you go, your cracker is ready to use.